Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can call someone who blocked you without any app. So for that, but before that, make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin. So if you have been blocked by someone and you do not want to contact them through any app, then it's important to have their cell number, because even if they have blocked you in one cell number, you can always try with another. So I'm gonna give you some options what you can actually do about it. So first thing first is actually you have to use simply another number, so when you call that person can receive without actually knowing it is you, so they can simply pick it up and you can actually have a conversation if you have been wrongly blocked or by mistaken, right? Other than that, if you do not want to do that, you can always borrow somebody else's phone number and contact with them. Or if you simply want to contact them anyhow, then you can choose to simply contact their friends and can talk as well. So apparently, if you do not want to contact them through any apps, any social media platforms, because calling can be happening from mobile, plus from apps as well, like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, these apps are always available. But if you're blocked everywhere, then you have to choose the option of calling their cell number. You have to have their cell number. You need to have another cell number or a friend numbers for you to be contacting them. So unfortunately, this is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.